So, for the problem number 5, at the beginning of compression in ideal combustion cycle, the working fluid is 2 pounds of air at 14.7 psi and 85 degree Fahrenheit. The compression ratio is 8.5. The pressure at the end of the constant volume addition of it is 450 psia, and there are 105 BTU during the constant pressure expansion. Find the pressure ratio and the percentage clearance. So we have for the RPs, we have P3 over P2. So we have P3 na given, which is yung 450 psia. So kailangan na lang natin makuha is yung ating P2. So P2 1 to 2 S equals C. So P1 V1 raised to K equals to P2 V2 raised to K. So derive lang natin yan. Equals magiging siya sa P2 equals to P1 P2 equals P1 times V1 over V2. So yung V2 natin is equals siya sa ating RK. So P1 times RK raised to K. So substitute lang natin mga values. So P1 is 14.7 psia times RK na 8.5 raised to K na 1.4. So P2 is we have 294.106 psia. So meron tayong P3, meron tayong P2. Masasolve na natin yung ating RP. So RB equals to 450 psia over 294.106 psia. So RP natin is equals to 1.530. So next naman is yung ating C. So C equals to 1 over RK minus 1. So C equals to 1 over RK na 8.5 minus 1. So C equals to 0.1333 or 13.333%. Problem number 6. An ideal dual combustion cycle operates 0.65 kg of air. At the beginning of compression, the air is at 100 kPa, 45 degrees Celsius. Determine the volume at the end of compression. If net work is 300 kg and the mean effective pressure is 700 kPa. So, solution natin is V1 equals to P1, V1 equals MRT1. So, derive na lang natin to magiging yung V1 equals MRT1 over P1. Excuse me. So, V1 natin equals to M natin na 0.65 kg mass times R natin na 0.287 kJ over kilogram mass Kelvin times T1 natin na 318 Kelvin over P1 na 100 kPa. So, V1 natin equals to 0.593 cubic meter. So, for the V2 we have PM equals W net over VD, or yung VD natin equals siya sa V1 minus V2. So, derive lang natin to, magiging siyang V1 minus V2 equals W net over PM. So, transpose lang natin yung ating V2 and yung transpose din natin yung ating W net over PM. So, magiging siyang V2 over V1 dahil transpose natin yung ating W net over PM is magiging siyang negative. So, V1 minus W net over PM. So, ito na yung final formula natin. So, V2 natin is equals to 0.593 cubic meter, which is yung V1 natin, minus W net na 300 kJ over PM na 700 kPa. So, V2 natin is equals to 0.164 cubic meter. So, yun lang po. Thank you, sir.